Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Hub. On our channel, we give helpful tips you might need in the future, so please subscribe to stay up to date with our content. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to convince your parents to let you go paintballing. If you found this video useful, please leave a like on the video. If you're still having trouble convincing your parents, just leave a comment below, and we'll help you out with some more tips. Now, let's get right into the video. Safety concerns. Explain to your parents all the safety measures put in place at the paintball facility. Explain the mandatory use of safety gear, including masks, goggles, and padding. Paintball venues prioritize their customers' safety before anything, as to avoid getting into legal trouble. This means you face practically no risk when paintballing. Accidents can always happen, but most paintball centers have high levels of supervision provided by professional staff. The staff also always explains safety precautions before a game begins to avoid injury even more. Look online at the paintball spot you are going to and check their safety precautions to show to your parents. You could even organize a phone call with a member of staff so that your parents can ask any questions regarding safety to a professional. This may ease your parents' level of concern. Violence concerns. Some parents may feel uncomfortable with you partaking in a game of paintball as it involves paintball guns and shooting at each other. Although the nature of the game is to simulate fast-paced war, it is far more than that. I have played many games of paintball, and I can't highlight the importance of teamwork enough. Paintball is usually a very team-oriented game, and it requires team members to communicate and strategize different tactics to use on the enemy team. Formulating different plans on which strategies to use are great skills to have in real life and can aid with your personal development. Try explaining this to your parents, that the game does portray violent themes, but that at its core, it's a game like another sport, where strategy is the priority. Financial concerns. Unfortunately, paintball is an expensive hobby, and if your parents think it's too expensive for what it's worth, you can't argue with that. Your parents are trying their best, and if money is an issue, don't hassle them. Instead, you should see how you could contribute to this hobby. Set aside some money from the pocket money you are given. See if you can make money by getting a job or doing freelancing. If your parents agree to pay you for doing certain chores, do them. Show them how much paintballing means to you by willing to put up a lot of money from your end. Physical benefits. Unlike sitting inside and playing a first-person shooter, paintball requires real physical effort. Players will be forced to run while suited up in protective armor and holding a relatively heavy weapon. You'll have to crouch, go prone, jump over obstacles, and perform many other physical tasks to not be an easy target for the enemy. The only time players will have time to catch their breath is in the home base or if they are camping in one spot. If your parents are concerned about you being unhealthy, this is a golden ticket for them to say yes. Conclusion. And there you have it. Those were some tips on how to convince your parents to let you paintball. If you found this video useful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you need any more tips, leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Good luck out on the paintball battlefield. Thanks for watching.